Hi, this is Dougherty from the Dougherty Garden. I'm just doing a quick video of the Monstera plant. Really common house plant. I have it on a tree over here. Let me see if I can sneak out here for a second. Get it before we have a storm coming our way, certainly soon. And as you can see it, okay. Now, all up is that tree directly in the middle. You have Talansi up there, and you have in the very top solitaire palm tree with huge black of seeds, and in the middle is the Monstera plant. I have 2 or 3 of them. I planted them many years ago, and they have a white seed bract. I have yet to get a seed bract or a seed germinate below the plant on that, so that's the Monstera. So let me just show you back over here. Let me go past my big greenie there, and just get back to where we were looking at my Monstera plant. And basically what I did was, this was a long shoot that was on it, and I basically cut it off. And as you can see, there's one of the shoots here. Let me get over here to show you. Basically, there's a root, that little baby there. You can plant this in the ground just like that, and just get the root in the ground. And I usually cut off the stem and the stem right above it, and let Mother Nature take its course. I have about 2 or 3 of them which I'll put in there. The wind has been blowing around. I had one that was in the pot. Let me see if I can find it. Nope, it's not here. One of the birds probably took it for the rest of the tree. But anyway, getting back to the pot, as you can see, I put a few in there. And let me get closer over here so you can see the root system is pretty healthy on there. And I'm just going to let everything grow. The one thing that grows my garden best is this weeds. They drive me crazy, but anyway, that's the Monstera plant, and it makes a beautiful hanging pot. I have another one over here. Let me just show you the other one we're hanging. I took the cuttings from the beginning of the year and put it over there, and there it is. What I like about it is the leaf structure. Every one of these leaves are unique in themselves. As you can see, when the first starts out, we get some real no cuts or holes around them. You know, this is when they first start forming, and then the next 1 or 2 leaves that come out, they will be starting to show the characteristics of what the Monstera is. Each leaf is a Monstera leaf, and unique for the plant. Each one is unique, and that's what I like about it. I'm going to move that hanging plant and redo it, and just put it into. Let me just show you quick what I mean. It's I got these as a gift from my son a few years back, but I used to go in these little plant beds, but they dry out after a while, so I think I'm making something of my own with the material just to capture the dirt, and then put this pot in there and let it hang. Is this going to be a happy place for it, or will I have to find a home for it out there? In the meantime, thank you for stopping by. Please like the video. We're all ears. Any comments you have experience with the Monstera plant? Am I saying it wrong? Most likely. There's a plant out there that I can say right. All right, thank you for stopping by, and we'll upload this right now.